What's up mga Trangkuloids? Unboxing tayo ngayon ng kakarating lang na parcel from Shopee. Salamat Shopee! So ito na, nabuksan na natin yung parcel natin. So ito ay Mountain Peak Air Fork 29er tapered. So yan, nakikita nyo, tapered. So Mountain Peak XS5. So 32mm extension, 120mm travel, quick release XS5. So quick release pala to, hindi pala to through axle. Quick release pala yung nabili ko. So may remote. So yan, nakikita nyo. So yan, may nakasulat magnesium alloy. So may rebound adjuster yata to. So yan, so may nakasulat dito na Mountain Peak. So yan yung ating bagong Mountain Peak XS5 29er tapered fork para sa ating Speed 1 Commander frame. Please like, share, and subscribe mga kapadyak.